Hi, what's up guys? Is your smart TV refusing to connect to your Android hotspot? No worry, this video gonna give you 5 possible ways to fix it. So let's dive in. Way number 1. The ultimate 2.4 GHz band switch. Starting with the one setting that causes 90% of the failures. Here it is. Perhaps most of us never think about switching the Wi-Fi hotspot band. The problem is newer phones use 5 GHz band by default and the older TVs can't see it. First, find the Wi-Fi hotspot settings. The easiest way to do this is swiping down from the quick menu settings. Next, hold press on the hotspot until it leads you to the internal hotspot setting dashboard. In the Xiaomi Poco X1 Pro, you have to access the setup portable hotspot to change the band. Follow the hotspot settings location for other Android devices accordingly as directed on this video screen text. Alright, once you enter the hotspot settings, tap to choose select IP band and switch it to 2.4 GHz. Now try to connect your TV to hotspot to see if it works. Check out the way number 2 for one more configuration for the compatibility mismatching fixed. Way number 2. Security protocol reset. Newer Android phones perhaps have upgraded its Wi-Fi security protocol to WPA3, which might be too advanced for smart TV software just yet. Therefore, consider switching back to WPA2 L security would be a fix here. This is just like a language barrier. WPA2 is universal language for almost every TV made in the last 10 years. Way number 3. Data saver or data usage check. Commonly, your phone is actively blocking the TV to save data. So, make sure your data saver is turned off or your data limit is not reached. If you're on a Samsung device, turn off the data saver under the connection settings. If you're on a Xiaomi or Poco devices, go to settings and search for security. Next, tap on data usage and turn off this option. Still having the connection problem? Check out the way number 4 for network settings fixed. Way number 4. The forgotten device fixed. Sometimes the TV's network cache got corrupted and stuck in the network connection problem. Easy fix here is to just go to network settings and go to wireless network setting, select your phone and click forget network. Now restart both phone and TV and try to connect again. Still not connected to your Android phone hotspot? Check out the last resolution in the way number 5. Way number 5. The manual SSID entry. Use this way when your TV auto scan cannot detect your phone hotspot. On your phone, open the Wi-Fi hotspot setting where you can see the hotspot SSID and password. Now, on your TV, go to network setting, then add a new network. Manually type your phone's exact hotspot name and password to connect. Well, one of these 5 methods should have you back to the streaming. If it's worked out for you, let me know which step fixed it for your specific TV brand in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy tech fixes. See you in the next one.